Hello everyone, welcome to Aman Babu tutorials, a complete solution for your study. Today in this video we are going to write and learn 10-line essay on my best friend. Number 1. My best friend is Deepak Shah. Number 2. We share a strong bond. Number 3. He is kind, supportive and always there for me when I need him. Number 4. We enjoy playing volleyball together and have lots of fun during our games. Number 5. Deepak is a great listener and we talk about everything from school to our dreams. Number 6. He has a good sense of humor and knows how to make me laugh. Number 7. We help each other with stories. Number 8. He is loyal and never lets me down. Number 9. We both love traveling. Number 10. I am grateful to have him as my best friend because he makes life more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.